Following the recent brutal murder of a child, the Legal Assistance Centre launched a new project empowering women and children through access to information. The Embassy of Finland in Windhoek granted $8,900,000 Namibian dollars to 4 locally based civil society organizations.
For the past 20 years, the Legal Assistance Centre has been struggling to launch this important project.
It has gone through various stages and various phases. At times it was quite silent, nothing was happening. And then we would have to push again to make sure that it becomes part of the national agenda and part of the national drafters project so that it can go forward. So it has gone, it's up and down over the last 2 decades. But we're happy that it is passed by Parliament.
Chombe says that the project came after the Legal Assistance Centre realized that much more needs to be done to protect and care for the Namibian child.
One sad thing about Namibia, it's commit the most brutal human rights violations against children, particularly the girl child. And this is the aim of this particular legislation, to provide protection and care to children in need, to make sure that it doesn't happen. And we want to make sure that every person who would need that law for his or her protection would know exactly what the provisions are of that law.
The Embassy of Finland in Windhoek made this donation to help with the country's economic development. Other organizations that benefited from the project were Team Namibia, Conservation Agriculture Namibia, and the Institute for Public Policy Research.